Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. As we have some events coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, so we will try to work with this type of niche in still now. So today we are discuss about two Thanksgiving coloring book hot niche. So we are going go to Amazon KDP marketplace, and our first hot niche is turkey buster coloring book. Turkey buster coloring book. So here already results only shows 23. So there is a very profitable niche. There is a very profitable niche. I again say there is a very profitable niche. So here turkey buster coloring book. So there is no book yet in the market. So I suggest you have to work turkey buster coloring book. So here big Thanksgiving turkey coloring book for kids ages 2 to 5. So we can also check out this book. So there is a 7,500 results only. So this is a big micro niche with a profitable niche, and here there is a already a review already 54, and our BSR rank is 1,041,40,000 and 11,49,732. So you have to check out this copyright and trademark. Notice record were found. So big Thanksgiving turkey coloring book for kids ages 2 to 5. There is a set niche. So you have to work this type of niche and earn a lot of money from this book. And our second niche is test coloring book. Test coloring book. Test coloring book. Here there is a results only shows 773, and already find out sweet test coloring book, and already released 8 July 2022, and already one review. Sweet test coloring book. Here fun activity with 50 beautiful, adorable, lovable, cool, and gorgeous flavored desserts designed such as cookie and cupcake. And there is we test, we check out trademark and copyright. Notice record were found on this list. So there is a set niche for us. So you have to work sweet test coloring book and earn a lot of money from this book. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niche, more ideas about Amazon KDP self-publishing business. So please like, comment and share my videos. So thank you so much. Thank you all.